This is a tutorial on how to add a USB camera in FlyOS Fast system. We need to prepare a USB camera, but it has to be one that doesn't require installing any drivers. Then we'll connect the camera to the USB port on the host. Open the Mellow document website. Add debugging document. Add a USB camera. The crowdsource service must be installed, such as on systems like Light 2 and Minipad, where it is not installed by default. The camera must be plugged on play without requiring additional drivers, and must be supported by Klipper on Linux, Ambient and similar systems without needing additional driver installation. But Minipod and Lighthost are not recommended because their performance is insufficient, and the system may crash when running for long periods. Click the icon. Uncheck the option to filter hidden files and folders. Then open FlyOS config. Find crow's nest. The default is 0. You need to change it to 1 to enable it. Then click Save and Restart. Then we'll start configuring the camera. Then locate and open crow's nest config. Find device. Then we need to zoom in or go full screen to see it. Click on devices at the top, then click video, and finally click refresh. path_by_ID is what we're looking for. Copy the line following. Paste it after the device entry. Make sure to save and restart your Klipper. And that's it. Your camera is all set up. Now you can easily find and use it by the name you gave it. If everything went smoothly, you should already see a stable video feed. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.